People can confuse, well, gosh, I'm working on my credit and that's why I'm getting sued. No, it's because you owed a credit card company or it's a collection company suing you. So I want to cover these. When you get sued by a collection company or a credit card company, you have 14 days to reply to what's called an answer. We looked at some data. There was one collection company that come and sued like 70 people, and only like 3 or 4 people reply with an answer. An answer means that you come back and you give responses to everything that they're saying. Well, I tell people, if a collection company sues you, you have every right to go in there and defend yourself or get somebody to defend you. We've helped people complete answers and come back, and then the collection company never even show up to court, because they'll normally be putting in the reason for their suing, or they have to put damages on a lawsuit. They'll put like $5,000. Well, when you take them to court and ask them how much they paid for that debt, they paid 5 or 10 cents. They probably paid $50 for it. So how can you say that you incurred damages? You bought a debt. If you don't go to court or show up and they get a judgment against you, they can go back to court and ask the judge that they want to enforce that judgment, and they can try to garnish your wages. That's what they can try to do. We hardly ever see that ever happen. It does happen with credit card companies sometimes, far few in between. Normally you see garnished wages for child support and student loans. People are receiving these lawsuits and they don't know what to do. One of the most important things you definitely don't want to do is you don't want to ignore when you receive lawsuit paperwork, because if you do, they can get an automatic judgment against you. Hope y'all enjoyed the day. Enjoy the beautiful weather, the East Texas area, the beautiful trees, what it has to offer. We'll catch up another day.